working on this Kenmore washing machine, Series 80, manufactured back in the 1990s. Very similar setup to your Whirlpool and your Maytag. Had a lot of debris in there and different things, so it was preventing the tub from coming out off its post. And so I had to figure out a way to remove the tub, and I'll show you what I came up with. So the first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and put your spanner nut back on the drive hub. Tighten it on there enough so that you get a few threads there within the nut to hold that down. And then you're going to need a puller like this. Now I know everybody doesn't have one of these, but this is usually for automobile applications. But if you do have one, or know someone that has access to it, I'm going to show you how to put this on here. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to press this tub off of the shaft. We're going to not press it, we're going to pull it off the shaft. So what you want to do is you want to put one side of each of this puller underneath your spanner nut. All right, under the lip of that spanner nut, so you get that tightened on there. All right, make sure the setup's good. Now this is not going to be like an automotive application where you're going to have something really pop off hard because it's under a lot of pressure here, so you don't really have to worry about it too much. That's the setup. I'm going to step around here for just a second so that you can see how that puller is going to align with your spline shaft there. So once you get that set up, now that shaft may want to spin a little bit. What I'd recommend, you can take another little pair of grip balls here and clamp that around. You don't want to damage your splines, but just clamp that around lightly there so that doesn't spin on you. And then you're going to take your socket wrench, set that to tighten. And what that's going to do is, as you tighten that up, that's going to push down on that spline shaft, and you're essentially pressing, or pulling rather, I keep saying pressing, you're pulling the drive hub and the tub off of the shaft. All right, so I'm going to loosen it up here and see if we're ready to remove the tub from the shaft. Take my puller off, remove the grip balls, and hopefully we can lift this out. And there we go. We got it loosened. So that's an effective way of pulling an inner tub from the outer tub on these sorts of models. Thank you for watching.